Okay, Jai Hind and Jai Israel.
Jai Hind, Jai Israel.
The culture of the people, it's what I believe in people. So this is what
Do you find any similarities between the culture of Israel and India, or they are very far apart?
it's very interesting.
हिमाचल के लोगों की भर भर के तारीफ कर रही हैं कि भाई इतनी हॉस्पिटैलिटी, मतलब जहाँ भी जाती है इनको कभी बोल रहा है ये खा लो, कोई बोल रहा है वो खा लो। यहाँ का कल्चर देखे, देवी देवताओं को देखकर ये मतलब जैसे आप आज से अपनी भाषा अंदर के ना गच चुई गिरे बिल्कुल ही। तो कुल्लू दशहरा की जो धूम है वो इस वक्त पूरे अपने ज़ोर शोर से अपना पूरा शबाब पे है, और हमारे साथ देखिए फॉरेनर्स में भी बहुत उत्साह है इस त्योहार को लेके। इनके साथ मैं बताऊं 2 और लोग थे, लेकिन वो कैमरा कॉन्शियस थोड़ा वो नहीं सामने आए, बट याफा हमारे साथ हैं, इजराइल से आई हैं, और इनसे जानते कि ये क्यों आई है यहाँ पे। मैम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम ऑन आवर चैनल एंड थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग अस योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम। एंड बता दूं आपको, याफा जो इनका नाम है उसका मीनिंग होता है इजराइल में ब्यूटीफुल। सो मैम, आई वांट टू आस्क यू, लाइक have you came especially for this to attend this Kullu Dashera festival?
Yeah, I didn't came to India to this festival, but we are living up at Nagar. So today we came here especially to see the festival.
Where are you staying?
At Nagar.
Nagar, okay,
Yeah.
Nagar, okay.
Yeah.
जहाँ पे कैसल भी है भाई, नगर कैसल। So you have you heard about this thing, the Kullu Dashera and all the procession?
Before I came here, no, but since I came, we talked about it. The owner of the guest house we stay in told us it's amazing. So, you know, and when I landed in Kulu airport. So on the way, I saw all the preparations. So it was very interesting to come here and see the festival.
What is your experience like seeing these people? They are carrying their dietaries on their shoulders, and all the musical instruments they are playing.
Amazing for me because it's the first time I see it. So we just got here, and I'm curious to see either the
procession.
How do you say no, they told me the name of the things that they're carrying.
The deities.
Yeah.
The
And,
gods.
The gods and the goddess and the instrumental. It's very interesting for me. Yeah. All the culture. When I come to another place than my home, the culture of the people, it's what I believe in people. So this is what
Do you find any similarities between the culture of Israel and India, or they are very far apart?
it's very interesting. I think
is there
it's
any?
very different.
Yeah.
Very different. The hospitality, yeah, it's similar because in Israel also people are very kind for me, and but the roads are different. The way of driving is different. The food is very different.
Do you like Indian food?
For now, I do. Yeah.
What are your special? Have you tried?
I tried paranta. It was very good, and then aloo pakka, something with
Aloo pakoda?
No, something with potatoes and spinach. It's like a dish.
Okay.
And thali, all kinds of thali.
आलू शिमला मिर्च की बात करें मैम।
Chapati and roti. It was very amazing. Yesterday we ate roti with ghee.
Okay.
And sugar on it, like cane sugar. It was wow.
ये बात कर रही है रोटी के ऊपर घी लगाया और उसके ऊपर शक्कर जो गुड़ होता है वो, तो वो इनके लिए पहला एक्सपीरियंस था मैम के लिए। So we call it गुड़, that sugarcane part, and the ghee. Most of the people in this region in Himachal, we used to eat the cow's milks, the ghee made from cow's milk.
Yeah, I know. And for me, the thing that surprised me that I like chai, and I didn't like it. I didn't try it at home, but I'm very curious to learn how to do it.
Chai, tea.
Yeah, chai, but chai masala with all the spices.
And with milk or without milk?
With milk. And I realized that everybody makes it different. Like someone makes it only with ginger, someone with pepper, and it's very tasty.
Some with cardamom.
Yeah, it's very tasty. So I'm going to buy the spices and do it at home.
You will enjoy a lot.
Yeah.
I can guarantee you. I have to tell you one thing, that there is a procession that will start from 3:30 p.m. onwards, and you can watch that in that big ground.
Okay.
We call it Dhalpur ground. So that is something you will never forget in your life.
Okay.
So that procession, all the deities and the gods, people are carrying. They will stand in a line, and then they will march like in ancient time. The soldiers used to march in a battlefield.
Wow.
So today, we are celebrating Dussehra.
Yeah, I know.
So
and this is the most important day of the Dussehra.
And in Dussehra, our God Shri Ram, he killed on this day Ravan.
Okay.
So Ravan was an evil figure in that time.
Okay.
And he kidnapped Sri Ram's wife for many months, and that thing became you can say the sparking thing to motivate Ram to kill Ravan.
Okay.
So that's the story. But Ravan was very evil kind of person.
Okay. Okay.
So this day marks the victory of good over evil.
Okay.
So
Okay.
all the procession that you will see, all the gods, they will charge the ancient time, the soldiers used to charge in a battle. So that thing you have to see today.
Okay, so I'm staying here, hopefully until the evening. We came to stay here today. Yeah.
Thanks a lot,
Yeah.
ma'am, for giving
Thank
us your
you.
time, and it's
Thank
very
you.
lovely to
Thank
talk
you very
with
much.
you.
You have a beautiful country. It's a surprising for me because it's like getting out of my comfort zone in my age. I'm not so young, and to come and visit my daughter and to see different country. The weather is amazing. People are very nice, very kind, always want to make you feel good. So it's very nice, and thank you for that.
And your English is very good, man. I didn't expect it from an Israeli,
Yeah.
because you talk in Hebrew.
Yeah, we're talking Hebrew, but we learn English at school since the second grade. And in the years I use English, and yeah.
तो ये थी मैम इजराइल से, जिन्होंने हमसे हमारे साथ बात की, और इन्होंने बहुत तारीफ की हमारे देश की, हिमाचल के लोगों की भर भर के तारीफ कर रही हैं कि भाई इतनी हॉस्पिटैलिटी, मतलब जहाँ भी जाती है इनको कभी बोल रहा है ये खा लो, कोई बोल रहा है वो खा लो। यहाँ का कल्चर देख के, देवी देवताओं को देख कर, ये मतलब जैसे आप आज से अपनी भाषा अंदर के ना गच चुई गिरे बिल्कुल ही। और मैम,
Thank you for this.
या मैम, थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर टॉकिंग विद अस, गिविंग अस योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम, एंड होप यू विल एंजॉय योर
I will.
स्टे।
I will. I came with open heart and mind just to enjoy. Yeah.
Ma'am, we say, Jai Hind, like for our country.
Okay.
This is, you can say a wow.
Okay.
You say Israel is great. So like this, we say Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
So once, by looking in the camera, just say Jai Hind and Jai Israel.
Okay. Jai Hind, Jai Israel.
Jai Hind, Jai Israel. Thank you a lot,
you.
ma'am. क्या आप बेफिक्र होकर प्रॉपर्टी में निवेश या प्रॉपर्टी खरीदना चाहते हैं? तो ध्यान दें, मंडी हिमाचल के संजीव ठाकुर के नेतृत्व में मैजेस्टिक राइज चंडीगढ़ ट्राई सिटी की रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री में भरोसे और मजबूती का प्रतीक बन चुका है। 15 सालों के अनुभव और हजारों सफल निवेश यात्राओं के साथ यह संस्था निवेशकों और परिवारों के सपने को साकार करने का विश्वास दिलाती है। चाहे फ्लैट खरीदना हो या उसमें निवेश करना, मैजेस्टिक राइज हर प्रोजेक्ट की कानूनी और वित्तीय स्थिति को परख कर ही ग्राहकों तक पहुंचाता है। चंडीगढ़ के बाद दुबई में भी आप जल्द निवेश कर पाएंगे। एक्सोटिका होम्स जैसे सफल प्रोजेक्ट्स के बाद संजीव ठाकुर का ये नया वेंचर आपके सपनों को देगा एक नई उड़ान। मैजेस्टिक राइज, जहां निवेश को मिलता है भरोसा, सुरक्षा और बेहतर भविष्य का विश्वास।